Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to determine your Wi-Fi signal strength on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So there is a difference between Wi-Fi signal strength and Wi-Fi speed signal, as basically how fast the internet is delivered into your home, while signal strength determines how fast your router can deliver connections to your devices. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is to view using network and control panel. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan. And then, select mo lang dito yung category. So, click mo lang yan. So, dito sa category settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung network and internet. So, click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung network and sharing center. So, click mo lang yan. And dito sa network and sharing centers, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung ating connection type. So kahit anong connection type yung meron ka, so kailangan mo lang yan i-select para ma-view natin. So i-click mo lang tong ating connections, so click mo lang yan. And pop up itong Windows status, alright? So dito lang sa general, and then makikita mo dito yung signal quality. So nandito yung ating signal, makikita mo dito mga kaibigan, alright? So napakasimple lang. And other method naman para ma-view natin yung ating signal strengths. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So, type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na netsh space wlan space show show space interface. Ayan. So, kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na netsh space wlan space show space interface interfaces, and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So, dito ay makikita mo na dito yung ating Wi-Fi signal strength. Mga kaibigan, nandito siya. Alright, so nandito. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to check and view Wi-Fi signal strength in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.